Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today is very interesting, the immediate implant placement of a Tooth EVULSION. Actually, this tooth have came out about 2 weeks already after the Mother Day. The accident happened during the swimming pool. This patient have tooth number 8 pretty much evolved, and she came a week later, but it was too late to put it back. So I told her, let's wait for a few days, let the gum, the lip, the face heal up a little bit more. And now her lip and her face heal up a little bit better. So I went ahead and started to some record keeping, include extra oral photo. In this particular video I didn't show you the extra oral because this is HIPAA compliant. So we're going to focus on the implant, how we do this. Basically, after I clean out the granulation tissue and check out all the walls, look like she have about 70% of the wall. Maybe there's a torn of the facial. So this is the reason why I told her that I'm gonna graft it. The idea is to preserve the bone, mostly the bone and the gum for aesthetic reason. If we let this go in without treatment for a few months, the gum gonna change, the architecture of the gum gonna change, the bone gonna change, and we're gonna come with a very difficult scenario to restore her into ideal situation, original condition. So that's why we just went ahead and packed a lot of bone in and used the Nobel Acti 5 millimeter by 10. I could have used a little bit longer. However, this is what I have for this today. So I went ahead and really hand torch all the way down, put the Huynh abutment in, rinse, clean up everything. This is the Huynh abutment, as you can see. So slow, slow, slow. Okay? Are you okay? Smiling? You can take a photo. You can take a photo of it. You have to call emergency doctor. Like, say, hey, I think come out. Is the doctor available? Can you help me? Thanks. Thank you. Okay. You go ahead, Missy. I'm putting in here. Go ahead. Sorry. I'm gonna hold this first. And I'm gonna clean this a little bit. Go ahead. Thank you. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Take it good like a baby. Yeah. The whole idea is to mold your gum to preserve your baby. Okay? The whole idea is to mold your gum to preserve your. Hi guys, if you like what you see, what I share you daily, weekly, monthly, please subscribe to my channel and check out more video down below. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.